I recently bought these set of desoldering needles, and they're excellent tools. I have desoldering pumps, both kinds, and the small little air desoldering pumps you operate with your thumb, and they're simply way better, way easier. You don't have to wait for heating up. You don't have to fill with leaky gaskets. So I'm gonna go ahead and just demonstrate real quick what I usually do, and pull a capacitor out. Typically I just add a little leaded solder to this lead free they put all over the boards. You don't even have to punch through all the way on the board. Just get past the surface of the copper contact. And you're done. Hope this was helpful, somebody.